MyCloud IT is a web tool for IT companies to immediately become desktop as a service providers in the Microsoft Azure cloud. Creating a virtual IT infrastructure should no longer be about buying servers, picking colocation data centers, buying SPLA licenses, etc. With the advent of the cloud, and specifically with the new offerings of Microsoft Azure, it is now possible to automate the deployment of network and desktop services. And this is what MyCloud IT is all about. It's the automation of IT tasks that up until now has been done manually. Windows Network as a Service, as we call it, it's the ability to create an entire configured Windows Network infrastructure in the cloud with just a few clicks in a few hours. And this includes domain controller, DNS servers, file servers, load balancers, session hosts, gateways, etc. The MyCloud IT platform allows the network administrator to create these robust networks in Azure with just a few clicks in about 2 to 3 hours. And that's a 95% time reduction from normal manual procedures. At the end of the day, what every business cares about is making money. And this can be achieved by doing two things: by selling more and having an attractive and unique offer, and by saving more by being operationally efficient. MyCloud IT will help IT companies in these two things. Sales-wise, because they can walk into any deal and any customers and say, I can have your entire Windows infrastructure ready today. You don't need to buy any licenses or servers anymore. And by the way, the only thing that you will need is internet. And operationally wise, because they can forget once for all about having hardware issues, leveraging Microsoft Cloud infrastructure with a zero entry barrier, and by using our pre-configured templates, they can deploy thousands of desktops without increasing overhead cost. MyCloud IT is making IT companies and Microsoft partners adopt the cloud to their day-to-day operations by bringing their customers into Azure. As a result, end users have seen cost savings from 30 to 70% over traditional IT infrastructure, combined with a higher satisfaction rating due to a 60% reduction in help desk related tickets. Simply by using MyCloud IT, they are automating customers' deployment and management processes, reducing overhead, removing all the hardware issues from the equation, and using best practices. Why be a data center? Leave all that to Microsoft. Leave all the automation tasks to MyCloud IT and focus only in selling and servicing customers. No doubt the IT industry is changing because of the cloud technology. I don't think IT companies are ever going to be replaced. They're the last link of the chain and ultimately the face to the end user. However, I do believe that over time, they will become more services companies and less infrastructure companies. Data centers will be a business of just a handful of powerful cloud providers like Microsoft, and everything else will be software driven. We at MyCloudIT.com believe we can help service providers succeed in the new era of information technology.